It's Tuesday! It's Tuesday morning, Turbo Tuesday, whatever you want to call it. It's Tuesday morning. Let's get ready for some action today. What's good in the hood, boys? What's good in the hood? Yesterday, had a nice little day with the with futures yesterday. Had some decent action. So today, let's take a look at what stocks are hot, what stocks are making moves, what's the go, what's going on, what's the market report, my friend? What is the deal today? What do we got going on? Welcome. If you're just now tuning in for the first time ever, well, welcome to the party, my friends. All right, so this morning we got some big news. S&P futures 500, S&P 500 up a little bit there, pointing towards a green opening. We've got the S&P and NASDAQ both closing at record highs yesterday. So, well, you got a big record high yesterday. You're probably expecting some type of bullish momentum continuing into today. One thing that I've noticed with trading stocks over the last 4 years is that normally, whatever the trend is the day before, it normally kind of continues for a few days. You kind of have that overall FOMO. Everybody kind of missed out on the big move yesterday. They're like, I want to get some action today. So people end up chasing and getting more FOMO today. So really kind of going into the last of the earnings this week. Most of the big earnings companies have already kind of pumped out their news and all of that. So also big news today is we've got Sprint and it looks like T-Mobile having some big news. Sprint and T-Mobile look like they're finally got their deal done where they're going to merge. All right. Also today, number of Federal Reserve officials will be speaking today. The focus is going to be on Jerome Powell, the chairman, as he starts his 2-day semi-annual monetary policy testimony on the economy before Senate and House committees in Washington, D.C. Also, the Fed chair is expected to reinforce the signal that the central bank's interest rate policy is hold at low levels despite the labor market continuing to tighten and private consumption growth remaining solid. So there's a bit of a battle. People want interest rates to go up because the economy is doing good, supposedly, but then the Fed's saying, hey, the economy's not doing that good. It's not doing that good. So it's kind of like it's a miscommunication. You know, supposedly the economy's doing great, blah, 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 but we still got really low interest rates. So you got to ask yourself questions. What's really going on here? What's really going on? So let's take a look at what stocks are gapping up this morning. If you guys are just now tuning in, good morning, welcome, hello, a bunch of virgin chatters. Oh, wow, first time calling, first time in the chat. What do you saw? I watched the stream many times, but first time actually calling in and talking. What's up? Tyson in the house, Seth, all the boys. All right. So today for the gappers, we've got AIM. You remember AIM, AOL Instant Messenger? It's not the same company, but it reminds me of it. We got AIM, we've got REXN, we got AMKR, GMPX, ADX on the gapper list this morning. Also MYO still just going lower and lower it goes. MYO just giving it up, just continuously giving it up here. I wish I somehow had some type of short tool here on MYO from the $40 area. Look at it now. They're at the 7s. So let's take a look here at the charts. So MYO, like I said, this thing the other day, a couple days ago, back there last week, was almost $40. Almost $40. And look at it today. $7.22. Wow. Talk about a pump and then the dump. Look at this daily chart. Ouch. Ouch. Ooh, ouch. All right, we'll start at the top of the gapper list here. AIM on the daily chart pushing through with some resistance, but then crashing back down there. Right now, the high pre-market is $1.70. If you look here on the chart, it's just been kind of crashing ever since then. So not really sure what to do there with AIM. Just keep an eye on it. We'll see what happens there later on. Right now, it's looking weak as it's just been giving up all of the gains. REXN pre-market high up there as well at the 336 area, and then dumping. Well, that was yesterday after hours yesterday. After hours yesterday, up there at 336, pulling back now currently at $2.52. The pre-market high this morning is there at $3. So $3, 336 resistance there on REXN. REXN has a 4 million share float, so we'll see if some more volume comes in there. Only 271,000 shares traded so far. We need some more volume. Turn up the volume, baby. GNPX this morning on the Gapper list, going from $1.48 up there to $1.59 now. Looking at the daily chart here, this thing's been popping around lately and doing some stuff here. We've got some resistance coming up there, $1.84, $1.85 area, $2 area. So GNPX trying to push up there, $1.60 area currently, and volume 479,000 shares traded. We've got a 14 million share float. So that's the numbers right now. Not really looking too hot just in terms of this thing's kind of popped up before, and you can see kind of obviously we've got some resistance and some stuff going on kind of in this area. So I think GNPX below $2 is just kind of like not much to worry about. Over $2 it might be something to do, but we'll see later on. Right now it's just not really looking too hot. AMKR low floater. Oh no, wait. Large floater, sorry. A large float here at AMKR. Got 97 million shares in the float. It's up 23% on 16. It's up 16% on only 75,000 shares traded. So, large, a really big float and not a lot of volume. So we'll keep it on the list, just keep an eye, but we'll see what happens. Right now, you can see yesterday after hours, Sprint going from $4.80 currently up there to $8.20. It's up 70%. Wow. Talk about congratulations to the Sprint longs, right? Congratulations to everybody who has been holding Sprint for basically if you had bought Sprint this year, if you bought Sprint this year, well, you're doing pretty good now because you're up 70%. That's awesome. Congratulations. Congratulations to everybody out there who bought Sprint in the last couple days. Well, somebody out there. There was some guy out there who bought Sprint on the 3rd, and now he's a genius. He's up a full $4 there. Beautiful. I love seeing success stories in the market. You know, not every day is a story about bad things happening, but sometimes good things happen. Sometimes good things happen. And you can see here, Sprint, 40 million shares traded so far. It's up there above $8. Big old short squeeze going on there. It would be bad to be a short right now. It would be bad to be a short, especially if you were shorting from that $5 area. That's ouch. Ouch. Don't want to be that guy. What else we got going on? Look at the Gapper list one more time. You guys are just now tuning in. Well, there it is. I know no one really cares about watching me, but they just want to see the Gapper list. So I'm going to give people what they want, and there it is, the Gapper list this morning. Nothing looking too beautiful, to be honest with you guys. Nothing looking like I really am excited here on the equity side. We've got some big moves in the futures market as well recently. I'll take a look here at the futures and show you guys what I've been trading, what I've been looking at, and kind of my game plan here for futures today. If you look here, looking at the 15-minute chart on the E-minis up there, got some resistance up here. You can see some resistance this morning. Nice little pullback, but right now currently pushing up there to the 364 area. We've got some support down there, probably 359 area. And I'm going to wait till open to see kind of what we get. We got about 30 minutes here till the market opens, so no real rush here. No real rush, but nice little bounce back after that sell-off there. We got a little overextended, sold off, and pushed right back up there to that resistance area. So we'll see if we can push above that resistance. Right now, we're at an all-time high. I mean, the market is literally just going higher at this point, so there's really just no resistance here. Over this push is just no resistance. So I'm interested to see if we can just keep pushing today. Maybe up there to the, $3,400 area at some point here. Maybe today or tomorrow. Market just rallying, baby. Just rallying after this nice little sell-off. So Beautiful opportunity. We made a video just the other day talking about it was time to buy the dip. Whenever you have some big dips, you got some big sell-offs, you're looking to get long for the long term. Well, congratulations if you got long after some fear in the market, because, well, market's at an all-time high once again. Well, making new all-time highs. So just going along with that story that I was basically explaining, that when the market's red, it's time to buy, baby. It's time to buy. What else? On the Gapper list, still everything we've already looked at, so nothing new there. I wish I had some news for you, but nothing really new there on the Gapper list. So, okay. All right. Sprint trying to push up their 840 area. I'm interested to see kind of what happens to Sprint today, what the overall idea of Sprint. If you had $1,000 to put into the SPY, would you do it now or wait 1 year? Time the market or time in the market? Ooh. Dallas. That's a hard one, man. It's one of those things. We obviously had that big move recently. We're at an all-time high again. Can we continue to go higher? Sure. I don't know. I don't know if I would maybe there's a better opportunity than just putting $1,000 into SPY. There might be some better opportunities. Maybe. To kind of look for some stocks that are kind of lagging right now in the market. Some nice volatility here on Sprint, though. Go from 790 there at 830 up there to 850. Nice to see. Always good to see some volatility in the markets. We need volatility. Remember that as a day trader, really all that matters to us is volatility, baby. We don't care which way the market's going up, going down. Volatility is king. Volatility is king. Dallas, if you're looking at a 10-year investing plan, obviously you can buy whatever, you can buy the SPY now or the ETFs and stuff like that. You can buy it now and just hold it for 10 years. You can try to time the market, wait a little bit of time, give it a little bit of time, and see if it get a nice little pullback. But in the long run, 10 years from now, it's not really going to matter either way, right? Obviously you can always get a better opportunity to buy, but long term, it won't really matter. We got ZKIN popping up here on the Gapper list right now. You can see here, it just popped up on the Gapper list. 7 million shares in the float. It's making moves here. Making moves. Making moves. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree. Oh, man. My eye. I feel like my eye's itchy. What's the news? The news on ZKIN. I did not see the news here on ZKIN. Did not see the news. Repeat, I did not see the news. But right now, currently going from $1.29 up there to $1.63. Only 92,000 shares traded so far, so don't get too excited just yet. Don't get too excited, especially with that resistance there at the $1.71 area. So I wouldn't get too excited just yet. I would give it a little bit of time. Sprint currently $8.40. So I wonder how that's going to work on the with the whole merger. How does that work with the shares and stuff? If you own shares of Sprint and they merge into T-Mobile, like what's the kind of value of that? There's got to be a value, right? There's got to be an overall value on those shares, kind of giving people a price, right? Right. UA. Under Armour this morning at 1543, gapping down from the 18s down there to the 1540s. Looking at the daily chart here, looking like kind of below $15. Not much in terms of support here. Looking like $15 is an important area to hold. Under that, we're looking at like 14. So keeping an eye on Under Armour here. That big gap down this morning there, $15 area support, and then after that, kind of 14s and a little bit lower than that. So all right. So on that note, hopefully you guys all got some beautiful information this morning. Like I said, everything looking kind of slow right now with the gappers. Looks like the overall market kind of at an all-time record high right now. We'll see if we can get a big push here in the SPY today. Are we going to keep continuing this momentum higher? Can we just keep going higher forever? That's always the question, isn't it? It's always the question. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and, get ready for the market open. We got a little bit of time here. Still got about 24 minutes here till the market opens. Keeping it short and sweet today. I'm actually heading to Portugal. I'm heading to Portugal on Thursday. So I'll be here Thursday morning, and I'm heading to Portugal Thursday night. And I'll be in Portugal Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you won't see me. I won't be live here on the channel after that, but I'll be live a couple more days. So, just give you guys an idea. If you're missing me, that's where I'm at. I'm in Portugal. I'll be filming some big wave surfing in Portugal. Portugal, big wave surfing. It'll be pretty fun. But on that note, I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the market open, work on some videos for you guys, and all that fun stuff. So if you guys haven't already, we're heading to Nazare. It's not vacation. It's a work. I'm going to Nazare to film some big wave surfing with the drones. So I'll be out there getting paid to have some fun flying drones all day. So I'm sure I'll make a little vlog and share that with you guys and all that fun stuff. So do me a big favor, if you haven't already, don't be afraid to hit that like button, the subscribe button, all those buttons down below. Just don't hit the dislike button. You know what I mean? Just don't hit that dislike button. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out. Peace out. Oh.